Welcome back to Belad Creative Studio, guys. This time around, we want to talk about elements of design briefly. And if memory serves me right, we have four elements of designs. I've spoken about it so many times. So we have four elements of designs, which are we have the shapes, we have the images, we have the text, we have the colors. These are the four building blocks of design. So there's no design you will see and you will not be able to take out a shape. There is no design without images. You'd see images. There's no design you see, you'll not be able to take out text. Colors too are very important. So there's no design you see, you will not see colors as well. So these are the four building blocks of any design. Just analyze a design right now, be it a flyer, be it a logo. You see these four building blocks in that design, be it shapes, images, text, colors. We have the shapes, and the shapes are of different types. We have the square, we have the rectangle, and we have the triangle, as you could see it right now. So we have different types of shapes. We have the rectangle, we have the circle, we have the parallelogram, we have the trapezoid, we have the rhombus. So we have a whole lot of shapes, but the few we could talk about, as you could see it from here, you could analyze it from here. But there is more to shapes we're going to talk about. We have 2D shapes, we have 3D shapes. So the cube falls into a 3D shapes, and we have this as a 2D shape. Something like a trapezoid is a 2D shape. So we're still going to talk more about shape, of course. And the next thing we want to talk about are images. So we have images as well. One thing image does to a design is to make it beautiful. So adding image to any design makes it beautiful. So it's an element of design. We have text and typography too. So text and typography are almost the same concept. Without text, there's no visual communication in a design. With text, you can style text anyhow you want. So typography is the styling of text anyhow you want, combining of fonts. These are things you will learn under typography. Text and typography are very important when it comes to designs, because without text there is no visual communication. So you need text to communicate, and text and typography goes hand in hand just to create that communication system, because the way you style your text matters, the font you use matters. And we have colors, we have different colors, like we have the black, we have green, we have red, we have yellow, we have color mode, we have color psychology. And these are things you learn under colors to make your design works the way it should. We have those four elements of designs. Those are the elements that makes up a design. So the shapes, we talked about the shapes, different types of shapes. We talked about images, how you could add images to beautify your design. We talked about text. Text creates that visual communication. And we talked about colors. Colors has its own emotion, it has own meaning. So in under colors, you learn color code, color mode, color psychology. These are the things you learn under colors, and those are the elements that makes up a design. If you've not subscribed to our channel, do remember to subscribe. I hope to see you on the next one. See you there.